The Oxford Dictionary defines civilization as an advanced stage of system of human social development. We have already discussed that the Indus Valley civilization was a proto-historic civilization in the strict sense of the term, because there is an evidence of written record, and the written record is a great help in understanding the fact that the Indus script was a script which had picturesque characters and also the characters of a proper script. And almost 1400 Harappan sites have been explored in the subcontinent. The Harappan sites belong to early, mature, and late phases of the Harappan culture. The early phase and the mature phase of the Harappan culture, they are basically the things or the area where the Harappan culture developed from antecedents and very beginnings, and it got matured. The early phase of the Harappan culture and the matured phase of the Harappan culture together combine the period from about 5000 BC to 2500 BC as per some scholars, and this is the most accepted fact. The Harappan civilization was discovered in 1921-22 by R.D. Banerjee, a famous archaeologist. And before the discovery of the Harappan civilization, the history of India started from the Aryan invasion. The new archaeological excavation led to an entire change in the history of India. The modern historians call it Harappan civilization because Harappa was the first city to be discovered in the Indus Valley civilization. The rise and growth of Indus Valley civilization was such that that it covered the areas from the valley of the Saraswati river, Satluj, and also parts of Gujarat, Rajasthan, and till the latest times, the western area of UP has also been found in the Harappan civilization. There is a site in western UP which is called Sanoli. Sanoli has been excavated and confirmed to be a site of Harappan civilization by the Archaeological Survey of India. The sites of Harappan civilization covered portions of Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Sindh, Baluchistan, and the border of the western Uttar Pradesh. Presently, the prime centers of the civilization like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Sukta are in Pakistan, and this shift from India to Pakistan has caused a great loss to the history writing in India. And the period of Harappan civilization, Sir John Marshall said that the period of Harappan civilization was around 3250 BC to 2750 BC, and As per the radiocarbon dating, there are differences in the statement, and the Harappan civilization flourished between 2500 to 1700 BC. But the real truth is that the Harappan civilization prospered and it declined in different periods of time, respectively, in different areas. So there can be no single date assigned to the origin, the rise and growth, and the decline of the Harappan civilization. The most remarkable feature of the Indus Valley civilization was the town planning civilization, where the streets cut each other at 90-degree or right angles. The Indus Valley civilization comprised of the elements of an urban civilization. Mohenjo-daro was the oldest planned city of the world, as per some archaeological excavations. We need to note that the other civilizations which existed during that time, like ancient Mesopotamia, ancient Egypt, did not have planned cities, nor they have planned way of administration like the Indus Valley civilization. And the buildings were made of burnt bricks, and they were baked, and the bricks were in a fixed ratio and of the fixed size. This is a important feature because the use of burnt bricks in construction of buildings is a remarkable one, and no civilization at that time had the capacity or the knowledge to do this. There was also a proper drainage system where every household and even the public areas were included in the drainage system. And the ruins of the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro cities indicate that each city had two divisions. The first, or the elevated divisions, was for the elite and the important sections of the society. The second was for the common people, and they stayed in a less comfortable and less um, what to say, less resourceful area. The Harappan civilization had gained name and fame for its granaries. The granaries